We've just acquired this lovely Volvo V40 2-litre D3. It's in lovely condition. Unmarked anthracite alloy wheels. Metallic dark blue. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors, full leather-faced leather interior seats. Step into the car. Got climate control, heated seats, 6-speed gearbox, satellite navigation, Bluetooth, media pack, 2 keys. It's got cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. It's just been MOT'd. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.